Look at that. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I've got something special to show you. I love biscuits and gravy for breakfast. So in the 90s when Taco Bell introduced the Country Breakfast Burrito, you had scrambled eggs, cheese, tots, and a simple country gravy. I was in. Well, they discontinued it shortly after, and that made me very sad. But over the years, I have crafted what I think is the ultimate country breakfast burrito. So stick around, let's get cooking. That is good. You've got the crunchiness from the potato top. You've got the cheesiness from the cheese. Eggs are cooked perfectly. You got the ham. And then the gravy, just silkiness, fattiness just gets you. Little chunks of sausage in there. And then with a homemade tortilla, you just get that rich chewiness from the homemade tortilla that just brings it all together and makes it elevate. That's our video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching. You still here? After all that, you're still watching. I commend you.